Hello everyone. So today I am going to make a very basic t-shirt design as my previous some designs were very much hard for beginners. So I am going to make a basic one today. These are some text I collected from like different biker t-shirt designs as I showed you in my latest video, like a biking design. So when we are using or we are not using or we don't want to use any kind of vectors like free or premium, then how can we make good designs? So guys, this is a good design is not about vectors. A good design is like a good placement of text, a good understanding of text. So let's make a design here today with only text here. So as you can see, this is, as I told you, some I collected this text from like King of Speed, Legendary Performance, Live Young, Die Free, Full of Speed. These are all some text from different t-shirt designs, biking t-shirt designs. So we are going to make a t-shirt design with this text here. So vintage rider, I want to, maybe not rider, vintage biker. So I want to make it a little fancy font, like some scripted font. So maybe let's use something like anything that looks good, something like this, or maybe arrow kids. This font is good, but this B is not looking very good. Maybe I will use Milky Brush. That's a good font. I like this one. And this B is not still looking very good. So maybe make it like, okay. Let's use our vintage in a one line and then use the vintage biker in the second line. So that will look better because we will add this, we will keep this one in our center point of our text and we will use something else. So let's use a source for this biker text like this. Whatever we will do today, we will do it with custom text and shapes. We are not going to use anyone's vectors. So you can follow here whatever I am pressing. So check my mouse strokes, keyboard strokes. So once our line is made, we can press A for direct selection. Then as you can see, we can simply adjust these points like how we want it. I want it to look like this to match this area from here. I don't want it to make like come like this. I want to make it like this. So that is good. Once we are satisfied, we can press Shift W, or you can press this white tool here. It will give us opportunity to make these strokes smaller or bigger. So I'm making this part bigger and this part, as it is smaller right now, but I want to make it bigger, like as this much wide, because this should match the wide of my R here, just like this, so that it looks like it is coming from this area and then following this direction. So that is good for me. Now I can do some more adjustment, like if I choose A here, my direct selection tool, to make it, you can see, matching together. So that's good for me. Now once I am satisfied with the position, I can break it, expand appearance, then use my eraser tool to make erase this part, like make it a curve here. I always like this kind of curves. So once I am satisfied, I need to, okay, I am selecting my these two text here, then break it. Once they are broken, I can select my this biker text, then open a offset path, make a offset path for that. Okay, 20 pixel is a bit bigger, so 10 pixel is good. Okay, let's overlap. So select this source and this text here like this, overlap it with the vintage text, then make a offset path for that, just like this. Again 10 pixel is good, 20 is bigger, so 10 pixel is good. Take it, cut. Now select my vintage text here, open the transparency and paste in front, Ctrl F. As you can see, this is looking a cutout effect here, but that is good for me. Now I am selecting these two, making it a group. So that is the going to be the center point of my graphics. So I can select that, then open transform and then object transform and then shear option I can make. I have to check click on this vertical option, and then I can click on, like, if I make it bigger or small these angles, it will give us that option, but I am going to make it, keep it 10 pixel. 10 pixel is good for us. As you can see, that is looking a bit better than before, I think. So let's keep it like that. So they are in a group, and then now I have some more text to use in my design, so I can simply use them in my design like the way I want, or I can just place them in a different way, like I can create a ellipse here just like this, and then make it smaller to fit inside your text area just like this. Then like this, maybe I want to keep it little bigger on this upper area, because that is a little bit bigger area, bigger text, and this text is smaller. So I'm going to keep it small like here, so that it overlaps my ellipse here. And then if I make it 10 pixel or maybe 20 pixel, 20 pixel is good, I think. That is looking good. Now I need to select it, copy, paste in front. Then I can make it little bit more smaller, just like this maybe. So this area is going to be okay, maybe a bit more, just like this. Then I'm going to select this one, copy, paste in front, make it, place it in the middle point just like that. Then I'm going to, like, text, then take this text from here, sorry for that, king of speed, I'm going to copy that and then paste it. But I want to make it like a in a bold looking font, so maybe use something like our explorer font, or maybe, okay, I have another font. Okay, let's use the Barnier regular font. This font is really good, but this font has a special effect that if I make it capital, then it will give it some this small spike effect. That is good, I like that effect. So let's cut that, then select our this part here. Then if I click here, it will, I can paste it inside that, but I want it in real smaller size, just like this. Then change the base position like this, so that it becomes in a center point, just like this. Then again smaller in size, so that it fits into the circle area there. Okay, again smaller in size. You need to keep changing the positions. Okay, once we are satisfied with the position, like both parts, then I can make the space between them a bit bigger, so that it fits into the space very well. So that is good. King of speed, then copy, paste in front. If I change the direction of the text like this, okay, I need to first of all place it, but I want to, okay, like this. Then I can place the text or the boundary area like this. Okay, not that text, I want to select this text, but this one should be smaller in size, like maybe king of speed. So legendary performance, let's select that text, copy this one, then again make a recent font and go to Barnier distress, Barnier regular, then make it smaller like this, cut. And then if I double click here, I will be able to write inside this text area, then paste it here. And as you can see, there is a not that much bigger area, so I'm going to make it, first of all, make the center point come like this, just when you feel like they are in center, that is good. Then I'm going to make it smaller again, so that it can fit inside the area, like you can see, this to this area here. And once they are good in position, I need to again change the base point to make it completely center like this. Okay, that is good. Now as you can see, this is looking like as it is right now. So let me break the font here again. For this one here I'm going to break the font, but for this kind of designs we need to really add some more elements to make it look like a premium work. So I'm going to add some stars here, just like this maybe. And then if I select my that star, make a copy here a little bit down, then again make another copy here, maybe this one in a bit bigger size, and then here a bit smaller in size, and then again here. So we need to first of all align them together just like this, and then we need to align them together, and then we need to align this one. Okay, once they are in good position I need to select them these three like this. Then if I click here, it will distribute the space among them, then make a group here just like this to put that on that area. So okay, so this is going to be the final design for me, but I need to do some adjustment, like these two should be similar on size, otherwise that will not look good, like the space between the text. So I'm going to make it smaller like this maybe, then break it. As they're in a stroke mode, I'm going to break it, then make it a group. So these two ellipses are now in group, then I need to select my this text group, again make offset path for that, 10 point is good. Then sorry, cut this one, then select this ellipse group, open the transparency, paste in front. As you can see, this is looking not bad actually. So let's use our pen tool, sorry, pencil tool, to fill the areas in black that we don't want to be visible, like this area I don't want to be visible, so that is good. Also this area I don't want it to be visible, so that's good for us, that is looking good. Now for this text here, as you can see, I need to click here. Then for this text I want it to be visible, so this is a little smaller in size, and if I make this source on top of this text, then they will not be visible. So I need to make the text in front. So I'm going to make a offset path for them, not 10 pixel, a bit smaller, maybe 5 pixel. Then cut, then select my this text group, open the transparency, paste in front. As you can see, that is now visible from that area. And again we can just hide something that we don't want. Take your pencil tool, with black in fill I can simply draw some areas like this, that is good. So okay guys, so this is the final design for our biking t-shirt design. We can use any of the text from here, like ride hard, ride fast, anything, or maybe I will make another video for this one, but that is another part. So once they are all in place, I need to expand it to check that if there is any stroke or any effect left. So let's make it a group. Once they are in group, let's align them with my artboard. Then as you can see, this is how it is going to be, how it is going to look like on a printed t-shirt. So of course this is not the very professional kind of biking t-shirt design, but still you will find some designs like this, and these are really good. And if you don't want to use any others vectors in your work, or any others work in your design, then this is the way guys, you can easily make some awesome designs. So thank you everyone, I hope you learned something new from this one, and see you in the next video. Have a great time.